Okay, so this has been highly requested on how to use Tapchamps and basically how to make some serious money. I've already made $100 on here, and I'm about to get to $20 again. This is my second time doing this. Now, as you can see on the left, there's the diamonds, 4,872. In order to get diamonds, you'll see like daily bonus. This is what I'm talking about, where you see daily streaks. You play these games and you play them for 7 days straight, you get 200 diamonds each. If you do the math on that and you do that for 3 or 4 games, you're gonna have a close to almost like 2,000 to 1,000 diamonds. 2,000 to 1,000 diamonds, or even 3,000 diamonds, can get you close to about $20. Off the bat, you're looking at almost like $50 going out the door by the end of the week. If you do it right, you'll make $100 by the end of the week, guaranteed. So as you can see, there's like little bolts. You see these little bolts? This is where you're gonna get all of your XP very quickly and get diamonds. The lower the bolts, the lower the XP, the longer it takes to earn diamonds. So if you click on this one, as you can see, it's gonna do like its little sample for dominoes. Blah 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 blah. Then when you go there, like this one right here too. See now, you see how it says 0 day streak? That means I have to go back on a 0 day checkpoint. That's the amount of time that you've played on the game reaching your XP. Your XP, every time your XP goes up, you go to a next checkpoint. It'll tell you reach checkpoint 7 to get to diamonds. So if you're at checkpoint 1 and you need to checkpoint 3 or 2, you just keep playing until you reach that checkpoint and you get diamonds. And they don't just give you small diamonds. They give you like 175 diamonds, 500 diamonds. It depends. Sometimes they'll even give you boosts. You can get 2,000 diamonds. Just lucky. Now, these are the ones I'm talking about. Now, these are no good. Okay, this is going to take you a very long time. This is what you don't want to do. You don't want to go for these. You can if you want to, but they're very minimal and small, and you're not going to get anywhere with them, and you're not going to get a lot of diamonds. Like this one right here, free cell solitaire, you're not going to get much for this. It takes so long for XP. And look, I'm at checkpoint 12, but look how long it takes. Meaning your XP is going to come like every 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I know you don't want to wait that long for diamonds. You'd rather jump into it having something like this, right? So I'm just going to show you a quick example. If like I pick up a game and play it like this one too, like see, look at my XP on this one, right? Now you're going to see as I play, the XP is going to start going up. So I'm going to play one of my favorite ones right now, which is Raid. Okay. Raid is going to go through. It's going to do its little thing. I used to did not like this game at all. I just forbid to play it, and then I just started realizing how really cool of a game it is. It was really cool. It got so good to the point where I downloaded it on my laptop. It's just so fun. You just upgrade your warriors, your team, and everything, and all that stuff. So basically, I'm just gonna quickly do a quick match. It's not gonna matter, campaign, whatever. Let's see what's open today. There is Dragon Lair. Now pay attention to the top and you'll see what I'm talking about. You're gonna start seeing the XP go up. So just gonna quickly go here. Now watch. Keep an eye on the top margin and you'll start seeing my XP go up. That's what I'm talking about. And watch how fast my XP goes up. Just keep an eye on the top. You'll see the XP will say XP going up. Once you get to a certain amount of XP on that checkpoint, it's going to tell you congratulations, you received 15,000 trophies, 125 diamonds, and so on and so forth. Your level now 14, whatever. Just playing right now, like usual, normal. continuance of the tutorial here. So like I said, you just download one of these really quickly. I don't know how much space, so I gotta hurry up. Tapchamps is a little down right now because so many people's on it. So you gotta click out, tap in, click on it again. Come on. There it is. And install. And then make sure you install it through the app. Do not install it outside of the app. Install it inside of the app. It's going to say installing. You just wait for it to be done. I'll wait till it's finished, and then when it's done, I will be back with you. Okay, so now I'm doing the one with the 5 bolts. Watch how quick I get experience.
Join our shelter or provide you a home, hot water, and food.
Don't worry, kid. I'll make sure you arrive at the shelter safely.
But I don't want to stay there alone.
Be a good girl. It's too dangerous out here. There's hot water at the shelter. You can take a nice bath when you're there. Just follow this path.
Watch out!
Cars are gone. Zombies' remains are stuck in its wheels.
Can't you fix it?
That's impossible, kid. We'll have to walk the rest of the way.
This is
The road sign up ahead. Let's hope we're going the right way. This way. Follow me closely. Those blasted things found us! Get ready for battle!
I didn't realize you broke the 5 windows, so I was just following it. Yeah, that's what I was supposed to say earlier. Oh, right. Yeah.
I'll crush you! No one's getting through this!
You can't fight me! Aw, puppy! So cute!
Don't go too far! Listen, you gotta stay close!
You scared him! Come back, little doggy!
Blast it! Gotta catch up with Peggy. Damn it, it's too dangerous. Where did she go?
Help! Go away, you monster! They just keep on coming.
You see what I'm saying?
Look
Right
out.
there. Look,
I don't
congrats.
think I can watch her.
You reach checkpoint 2, you got 25 diamonds. That's exactly what you want.
Hold on to your weapons. Leave the rest to me.
Not scared of
Now I got 5 of those. The reason why I'm getting so quick is because 5 bolts.
you. Can't fight me!
I'm Catherine, a resident at that shelter. You came at a bad time.
Why are you still here?
My sister is in the shelter. I can't leave her alone. You saved us. So we'll help you find your sister, right?
You called the shots.
There's a side door up ahead. We can enter the shelter from there.
And
You know how to open it?
He was in charge of guarding the side entrance. Okay.
I hope you remember.
These drawings look like hints. Maybe they'll help us unlock the door.
Here.
You have to push the buttons in the correct order. Does this door lead to the shelter you were talking about?
That's right. I hope my sister is safe. Let's get in there and help her.
Okay, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. So now you understand.
Cynthia.
Yeah, right. I have to do...
Perhaps I can help you.
This is what I'm talking about. You see? Increased XP. Checkpoint 4. 1,500 trophies, 150 diamonds. And that's how you do it. And when I go to my thing here, look. About to be at $20. One step up is 50, next will be 100. And this is all you do. Hope this guide works for you. Good luck.